Hey, what's up everyone? Today in this video I'm going to show you how to install 3D Fluffy keyboard on your any Galaxy device. So let's begin. Okay guys, first you have to download this app on your Galaxy device. This app absolutely free. First open this app and after open, look at this many of beautiful themes, keyboard themes on this app with many categories. Simply download this theme, tap on download. Now tap again on download, simply tap and download and tap on apply. Now tap on activate, tap on step 1, select this keyboard, look at this, first enable this keyboard. Now tap on OK. Now go tap on step 2, select this sticker keyboard and look at this 3D Fluffy keyboard on your Galaxy device. Look at this guys, 3D Fluffy keyboard on your Galaxy device. Okay, let me show you another Fluffy keyboard. Guys, simply find this keyboard theme, tap on download. After tap on again download and look at this. Guys, this time bottom side 2 option, simply tap. Look at this guys, I have for now 100 gems. I required 200 gems for unlock this keyboard theme. Then simply tap on. Now look at this, after tap, okay, I have required 50 gems for unlock this keyboard. Then again tap. Now look at this, I have collect 200 gems. Simply go back, again go back, tap and download again. Now tap on 200 gems and apply. Look at this, is Fluffy keyboard theme apply on my Galaxy device. So you also enable this Fluffy keyboard on your any Galaxy device. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have enjoyed this video, then like, share and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching guys. See you in next video. Bye bye.